Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in Fillout form using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a marketing attribution platform that helps you capture the exact marketing campaign and entire journey of every lead on your website. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your free account. Next, add your website to SourceLoop and copy its tracking code. You need to add this tracking code in the head section of your website. If you are using a CMS like WordPress, it is quite easy. You can install a free plugin called WP Code and then navigate to its header and footer section. Add the code on the top and then click on Save Changes. If you are using any other CMS, simply navigate to your site's global header setting and then add the code there. Next, let's go to our form, and here we need to add a hidden field to our form so that it can receive the unique SourceLoop visitor ID for the user who is filling our form. Then we will connect our fill-out form with SourceLoop using a webhook so that whenever we receive a new submission in form, we can send it back to SourceLoop, and then SourceLoop can use that visitor ID to match it with the attribution data it has already captured for that user. I'll show you how it works. Once you have opened your form, click on the setting icon, then go to URL parameter, click on Add New, and here create a parameter with the name SL_AID. You need to ensure that you are using this exact value and click on Add Parameter, and then we will go to the integrate section. Here we need to connect this form with SourceLoop using a webhook. So we will select webhook option. We need to enter the URL here. Let's go back to SourceLoop and navigate to the setup section. Then go to incoming webhook and copy the web form webhook URL. Now paste this webhook URL on Fillout form and click on Finish Setup. Let's publish our form. Lastly, we need to add this form on our website where we have installed SourceLoop tracking code. So we'll go to Share section and we will choose the standard embed option. Click on Get the code to copy your embed code. I have already added this embed code on one of our test website. So now it's time to test this out. We will visit our test website using some UTM parameters. I hit enter and then we will go to the fill out page and make a test submission. I enter my name, email and some dummy text. I hit enter. We have filled the form. Let's go back to SourceLoop and navigate to the contact section. And here we can see that SourceLoop has captured the lead. If we scroll to the right, we can see it has also captured the UTM parameter related to Google ad. Let's click on preview and it will show us the entire journey for that lead, like how they visited our website, what pages they viewed, what buttons they clicked, and eventually how they filled the form and became a conversion. The best part about SourceLoop is it can not only capture the marketing touchpoint which involves UTM parameters such as your bid ad campaign, but it can also capture the marketing activity from organic social, organic Google search, Bing search, etc., where UTM parameter is not involved. So that you can get a holistic view of how you are getting conversion from different marketing activities. SourceLoop also has dedicated dashboard to help you analyze the conversion breakdown by channel, source, medium, campaign, etc. If you are running ads, you can also connect your ad platform and then you will be able to see the exact conversion data for every ad campaign that you are running. If you are using a CMS like HubSpot, Salesforce or Pipedrive, you can also navigate to the CRM section and then connect your account so that SourceLoop can sync this data back to your CRM as well. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.